Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Quantitative Aptitude Tricks. So this channel is for those who are preparing for competitive exam. Because in competitive exam you have very short time, and within the short time you have to solve many problems. So your main goal, your main objective is how you save time in a very quick time in which you will solve the problem. So go to the most crucial chapter, most prominent chapter, profit and loss, which is a very crucial chapter, very prominent chapter, and most of the question in different competitive exam, whether it is banking exam, staff selection exam, railway exam, whatever it may be, that question is normally asked. So first I will do a problem on the chapter profit and loss. Okay, chapter is profit and loss. Okay, question. So write down the question. When an article was sold at half of the selling price, there will be a loss of 10%. That is the condition. When an article was sold at half of the selling price, there will be a loss of 10%. Okay. Then what the question asked? Then find out the profit percent when it will be sold, means the article will be sold, at its original price, means at the selling price. Original price means at the selling price. Okay. So our condition is when an article was sold at half of the selling price, there will be a loss of 10%. What the question asks? Find out the profit percent when it will be sold at its original price, means at the selling price. Okay. So there are many fundamental way to solve the problem, but we do not discuss regarding the fundamental problem, because in competitive exam you have to solve it in a quick manner, in very few seconds, in 10 to 20 seconds. So you just forgot about the fundamental things. You just avoid the fundamental method. We will do it in a different manner so that you will save time. Just listen what I am doing now, what I am teaching now. Let the cost price is 100. Cost price is 100. Okay. Let the cost price is 100. You don't take S, you don't put the formula, anything else. Only you write down let the cost price is 100. And in the question it is given when an article was sold at half of the selling price, there will be a loss of 10%. Just see here, you purchase the article at 100, means the cost price is 100, means you purchase the article at rupees 100. At what price you will sold it so that there will be a loss of 10%? Very clear, it is 90. Your cost price, your purchase price is 100. when you sold it at 90, there will be a loss of 10, and clearly there will be a loss of 10% because we had taken the purchase price, cost price is 10. Okay. When we sold it at 90, there will be a loss of 10%. So as per the question, half of the selling price is equal to 90, because it is a condition when the article was sold at half of the selling price, there will be a loss of 10%. That means as per the condition, as per the question, half of the selling price is rupees 90. The selling price, or which is also the original price, selling price which is also the original price. Selling price or the original price is 180. Half of the selling price is 90, means selling price is twice of 90, means 180. Then our motto is find out the profit percent when the article will be sold at the original price or at the selling price. Then profit percent is equal to 80%. Clearly you purchase the article at rupees 100 and original sell price or selling price is rupees 180. What profit you get? Now you get a profit of profit is equal to 80. Very clearly profit percentage is also 80%, because your cost price is 100 and selling price is 180. Your profit is 80 and your profit percent is also 80%. So in few lines, in 4 lines, you will solve the problems. Okay. Then I am just making a table now. And serial number, first question, second question, third question. In the second column, cost price, third column, half of the selling price, fourth column, selling price, fifth column, profit percent. Okay. Serial number 1. In first question, we write down when the article was sold half of the selling price, then there will be a loss of 10%. Here, you just substitute 10% to 20%. Suppose you just substitute 10% to 20%. Means when the article was sold, substitute 10% to 20%. So let serial number 1, 20% loss. Okay. Loss 20%. Let the cost price is 100. At what price you sold the article so that there will be a loss of 20%? You purchase the article at 100 and you substitute 10% to 20%, means that is a second question, just with change of numeric. That means when you sold it at rupees 80, there will be a loss of 20%. That means as per the question, half of the selling price is 80. So what is the selling price? 160. So what is your profit percent when sold the article at the original price or the cost price? Now 100 is cost price, original price is 160 or selling price is 160, then profit percent is equal to 60%. Then serial 2, you just take loss is equal to 30%, means only you substitute 10% to 20%, 30%, so that you will get a very clarification in this regard. So you need not think about the problem, you just write down this for, or orally without touching the pen and paper you will solve the problem. So your loss is 10% when the article is sold at half of the selling price. Similarly, you just take cost price is equal to 100. At what price you will sold, there will be a loss of 30%. Now clearly 70. You purchased it at 100. When you sold it at 70, there will be a loss of 30%, and half of the selling price is 70. What is the selling price? Selling price is 140. Selling price is 140. 70 into 2. Okay. So our motto is find out the profit percent when it will be sold at its original price. That means cost price is 100. Selling price is 140. What is the profit percent? 40%. Clear? Then you just, in the third case, serial number 3, you just take the loss is, just take 15%. When the article was sold at half of the selling price, then there will be loss of 15%. So similarly, you just take the cost price is 100. At what price you will sold it, there will be a loss of 15%, means 85. That means half of the selling price is 85, because as per the question, when it will be sold at half of the selling price, then there will be a loss of 10%. In the 3 cases in the table, I just substitute 10 as a 20, 30 and 50 and draw the table because of your clarification, so that you will get a very clear idea in this regard. So half of the selling price is 85. Okay. Then selling price is equal to definitely twice of 85, 170. Okay. Purchased it at rupees 100 and your selling price is 170. Then what will be the profit percent? 70%. Okay. Clear? So that is a very clear idea. I am just giving it marker so that you will see it very clearly. Clear? And if you adopt this method, then you will solve the problem in a very quick manner. Within, I think it's a matter of 10 seconds, and it's a matter of oral calculation. You just think and write down the answer. Just see and write down the answer. There is no need of pen and paper to solve the problem. Okay. So that is my first video. I am in the profession of teaching the students, those who are preparing for competitive exams for more than 5 years. But due to constraint of times, I have been done away from this, means physical classes, and things I will give some idea to the student, those who are preparing for competitive exam. If you gain from this video, then I will be happy, and I request you to share, subscribe and like the channel, so that it will encourage me to give more problems, give more tricks. Thank you for seeing this. Have a nice day. Thank you. Rohila to.